subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello children, I want to ask a question. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of summer? Okay, I want to give a clue. What is cold, sweet, creamy and wonderful to eat? Yes, you guessed it. It's right. Everyone's favorite special treat on hot summer days is an ice cream. Everyone's favorite person might just be the ice cream man who comes with his cart, and how the children gathered around him like honeybees. So let us start our poem Ice Cream Man. The name of the poet is Rachel Field. Now I read the poem. When summer's in the city and the bricks ablaze of heat. In this stanza, the poet explained that it is a summer time and the city is burning with scorching heat. The sun blazes extremely. The ice cream man with his cart goes tumbling down the street. The ice cream man comes to the city with his ice cream cart and goes slowly on the streets with his cart. Stanza second. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see fill the cones with mouths of cooling brown and white. In this stanza, the poet explains that the ice cream man is a source of joy and happiness to everyone in this scorching heat. Oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mouths of cooling brown and white. It is a wonderful and joyous to see how the ice cream man fills the cone with the ice cream under his big round umbrella. Stanza 3. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. In this stanza, the poet talks about the variety of flavors like vanilla, chocolate, strawberry that the ice cream man has in his cart. He also has chilled frosty fizz drinks in different colors. Now stanza, his cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children luster around as thick as honey bees. In this stanza, the poet compares the ice cream cart with his bed of flowers where roses and sweet peas are blossoming. The poet says that the way children gather around him, they look like honeybees lustering around the flowers to get nectar. I hope you understood the poem very well and how the ice cream man spread his joy and happiness during his summer season.